In the evolving landscape of 2026, the question on many aspiring professionals' minds is whether a career in data analysis remains a viable and rewarding path. The short answer is yes, but the strategy for landing a role has shifted dramatically. While the market is undeniably tough, data analyst jobs still exist. The key lies in understanding where to look and how to position yourself effectively. The first reality check involves the nature of the job market itself. When you apply for a fully remote position, you are no longer competing with your local peers. You are entering a global market, where a single posting can attract over 1,000 applicants from around the world. In contrast, hybrid or in-person roles significantly reduce this competition because they are limited to a specific geographic area. Therefore, alignment is crucial. If you are willing to consider hybrid or on-site roles, your odds of getting hired increase dramatically compared to insisting on a fully remote position. To stand out in this crowded field, you need a strategic skill stack. While it is true that you need familiarity with the core tools, SQL, Excel, Power BI, and Tableau, trying to be an expert in all of them simultaneously is a trap. The winning strategy is to learn all of them on a surface level, but go deep on just one. Whether it is mastering advanced stacks in Power BI, or complex window functions in SQL, depth beats breadth. Employers are looking for specialists who can solve specific problems, not generalists who know a little bit about everything. However, technical prowess alone is no longer enough. In a remote environment, communication has become a premium skill. You cannot simply walk over to a colleague's desk to explain a chart. You must be able to articulate your findings clearly through writing, video calls, and asynchronous updates. If you cannot explain the why behind your data, your analysis is effectively useless to the business. This leads to the importance of domain knowledge. Instead of simply stating, "I want to be a data analyst," you should specialize. Do you want to analyze marketing data, sales data, logistics, HR data? When you align your technical skills with a specific business domain, you become infinitely more valuable. You stop being just a number cruncher and start becoming a strategic partner who understands the specific KPIs and metrics that drive that particular department. Once you have built this foundation, the job hunt becomes a game of proof. Your resume is merely a ticket to get past the applicant tracking systems, ATS, and HR screeners. Your portfolio, however, is what gets you past the hiring manager. In a remote world, where you can't show up in person, your portfolio is your proof of work. It should showcase real-world projects, perhaps a dashboard analyzing court dockets, or police use of force data, that demonstrate your ability to handle messy data and derive insights. When you finally secure an interview, remember that it is a two-way street. Don't just answer questions, ask them. Inquire about their data stack, the challenges their team is facing, and the biggest decisions your role will influence. This shows that you are strategic and already thinking about how you can add value. Finally, if you do land that remote role, remember that visibility equals survival. The out of sight, out of mind phenomenon is real, and it can lead to the career ladder problem, where remote workers are overlooked for promotions. To thrive, you must be proactive. Document your wins, use asynchronous tools like Loom to share updates, and volunteer to present your work to leadership. By advocating for yourself and communicating effectively, you ensure that your contributions are seen and valued, securing not just a job, but a thriving career in the data space.